In this video, I'm going to take you through a hamstring workout to balance out those legs. I already posted a quad workout. Stay tuned. You don't need a gym to get in the best shape of your life. Okay, so I'm going to take you through 3 different exercises, one of which I've broken down into with equipment and without equipment. So 4 exercises total coming up. Notice when I'm doing the deadlifts, I'm up on the box. This is to make sure I get full range of motion and stretch those hamstrings. You also want to make sure that you keep a flat back. Don't arch it. You'll risk injuring yourself. Notice I do the same thing as before with the box, but this time the only difference is the dumbbell. I will admit though, in this video clip, my back's not that flat, so I risked injuring myself. Don't do that. Do like before and keep a flat back. What I do in this exercise is a no equipment leg curl. Make sure you're explosive on the curl and slow when you let your legs back down, extended, and repeat that motion. And you wouldn't think it would do much, but dang, it burns after a while.